Hey guys, Sunny here. So it's Friday. Market's kind of moving slow overnight. It was moving, very very slowly, basically sideways. Then early morning around 3 a.m. it fell down a bit, but it was already in such a oversold area. It kind of bounced back and started coming back up around this morning, early morning, and as you can see. I bought about 500 shares yesterday. I bought and sold some, but I ended up with 500 shares, and I'm up at the moment about $300. Uh, you know, yeah, and today being Friday, natural gas report is already out. The major event for today is the rig count report, which comes out around 1:30ish. It doesn't have a specific time because it's not official. Various outlets they just post this number around 1:30 p.m. or so, so that might affect the prices some. uh, you know uh, since last week there was one less rig count, so I'm thinking there might be, and there was some event last week. There was some fire in Texas uh, that had caused the prices to go up last Friday, which was kind of unusual for a Friday. That too the day after Thanksgiving. But today, besides the report, I don't see any major events. So let's see how today plays out. As of now, natural gas seems bullish. It's been mostly above the EMA line. So if there is a little bit of a dip, I might add to my position. But on you can see on this 5-minute chart, it is kind of a overbought area. So it'd be a good idea to sell some here. It's gonna create an alert at the 5-minute EMA. Let's look at the 2-minute chart and see what they say. Yeah, now we have a full-on confirmation about reversal. So even if in a 1-minute chart or 5-minute chart it fluctuates a little bit, but the overall direction seems to be above now, going up now. Let's see, 180 day. Yep, yeah, even on 180 day it's starting to turn around, and it's extremely oversold area. So usually when a stock falls so much so quick, there's certainly some rebound. So as of now, I would expect it to come at least up to 2.596 actually, and then from there we'll see what happens. But as of now, according to my analysis, 5.9 2.596 2.6 is the general area, because as the stock turns around and goes up, the EMA line is continuing to fall down, and it's gonna meet the prices somewhere in this range. So I would say 5.8, 2.58 or 2.6, between these two. Yeah, well, let's see how it will play out. It might reach that today, or maybe over the weekend into Monday. But that's the analysis for now. Of course, things can change, especially over the weekend when the market starts trading at 6 p.m. on Sunday. It could jump and come back quickly. So for a beginner trader or an inexperienced trader, it's not a good idea to hold stocks over the weekend, because your analysis might be correct, but whatever you do analyzed could happen quicker, and the stock could go down in the other direction already on Monday. My analysis for natural gas was that it will fall down, and it did, but I was expecting it to happen much sooner, at least about a week sooner, and that's why I was just holding my 1200 shares of KOLD throughout all this time, and without much trading. Actually, if I did trade some during that period, I traded some with like 100 200 stocks, but if I traded more, I would have definitely made more money. But I mean, stock market, nothing is for sure ever. So we just do analysis for the moment and see how it plays out. And you have to do analysis frequently, because in stock market things change pretty quick, and changes are pretty wide as well. So let's see. I'm expecting today for a slow day. It's like a good day for beginner traders. That the market doesn't move too much. You have like a chance to understand what's going on in the market. So as of now, you can see, if you look at the 5-minute chart, you can see it sort of like bounced back from this EMA. So overall trend still up. We'll see what happens. Usually, the prices won't turn around in one shot. It happens sometimes when the market is volatile. Prices can turn around. The stock can change direction very very quick. But today is sort of like a slow market. There'll be indications. Indications are always there. But if today is like a slow market, we will have a better chance to capture those signals. For example, yesterday there were few opportunities that I missed, because things were moving fast and I was live streaming at the same time. But I'm expecting today to be a slower day. Alright, so now it looks like um, it has reached a consolidation point. So the prices were going up, now it's kind of going sideways. So it's like a consolidation point, and you can see here in MACD, it hasn't crossed below zero, and it's sort of like crossing over. So there's a chance that it could still go up a bit. It doesn't have to happen like that, but that's what the analysis says. And RSI is somewhere in between, so I can't make a decision based on RSI yet. But the MACD seems to be crossing over up towards the up direction. So let's see. And for day trading, 1 minute chart and 5 minute chart, you need to keep them side by side. because sometimes they can tell different things. For example, here on 5 minute chart, the MACD is like already very high and it's starting to cross over. So from 1 minute chart, it shows that the price might go up a bit, but on from 5 minute chart, it's indicating that the prices will turn around. So it's possible that it will go up some and then come down. So let's say if it reaches this upper VWAP, I might take some profit. So I might sell 100 shares. I already have an alert set up here, right? So let me see. So I'm gonna sell 100. Alright, it just filled. And yeah, like a lot of people will take profit when it reaches the upper VWAP, because that is like sort of daily, sort of like a daily price range. I wouldn't call it a price target, but a price range. Of course, the prices can go above and below, as it did here, but within a single day for the prices to go above the VWAP is sort of unusual. So I mean, if you take profit at upper VWAP, that is like perfectly fine and recommended actually. I mean, there is still chance that the prices will go up, but the probability of that happening is diminishing. Alright, looks like it's continuing to go up. And it's about to reach upper channel as well, so I might sell another 100 at this upper channel. I'll wait a little bit and see if it bounces up. When if you're a beginner trader, you should have like a maybe trailing stop loss or a stop loss, So, one of the good places to put a stop loss would be like if you look at the 5 minute chart. Like if you want to have like a tight stop loss, you would put it like around this EMA line, but yeah, but you have to understand that the prices don't directly correlate to cold or boil. So that's one reason like when I need to like pay constant attention to the stock prices, because the cold and boil prices are based off of natural gas prices, but again, it's not like a direct correlation. For the same price of natural gas, the prices of boil and cold can vary, and sometimes can vary quite a bit. Like stock goes up, comes down, and goes up to the same price. The cold prices or the boil prices might still be lower. I've never seen it to be higher, than before. I mean, it's a ETF derived off of natural gas futures. So it looks like the Bloomberg Corporation, who created these ETFs, they need to make some profit too. So that the difference in that prices is basically what they make. It's called it's called slippage. It's called fund fees and things like that. So that's one reason I have to like constantly watch at the stock. Alright, trends is still up because it bounced back from the CMA line. Alright, now it's coming down. Maybe not. Yeah, it kind of like bounced back from this support level. I would say that natural gas is bullish now. Overall, the direction has turned. We'll see. We'll see if this analysis is correct in, probably before the end of the day. I might keep like a couple hundred stocks into the weekend. We have to take a risk to make money, right? So I won't take that much of a risk, but just a couple hundred stocks. And the stock price is low, so for the same percentage drop in natural gas, the dollar amount that oil can drop is lower. So I'm willing to take that risk. I should stop talking and pay attention to the stock because it went up and then back down. I will sell this 100 and then I will sell another 100 and then I'll keep 200. The MACD is crossing down now, so I might have to sell it at a lower price. Nope, my order didn't get executed, so yeah, even on 5-minute chart, it's beginning to come down. So let me just put another order for 100 at 22.22. I might have to bring down my sell price, so I'll cancel this one. Let's see if I get a bounce at least up to the EMA line. So I'm selling at 20.20. Let's see. Other order is at 22.22. So if you get a push, both might get executed, but let's see. Alright, one order got executed. Alright, my other order didn't get executed, so let's see. Yep, it's change direction for short term, like for like daily basis. The natural gas direction is up, as indicated by 20-day 1 hour chart. Alright, if it comes down to this metal VWAP or this 180-day EMA, SMA, I might add to my position. Yeah, I wish Robinhood had a better interface for putting the order in, a quicker way to put the order in. And like Think and Swim is free as well, but I have to learn their interface. I haven't learned it yet. If my order at 22.22 gets executed, I don't see it because if EMA line is acting as a resistance, it might not go to that point. Okay, it went went above the CMA line. Let's see if my order gets executed. Alright, there's a big push. My order got executed. If it pushes some more, I'll sell another 100. Alright, we have another push. Let's see. I might sell another 100 at 20.38. On 5-minute chart, it still indicates overbought. So it's a good idea to sell. Yeah, it's about that, like same area as before. Might act as a resistance. We have upper VWAP here and then upper channel here, so that's another reason, good reason to sell. And there you go, my order got executed at 22.38. I still have 100 shares. Alright, natural gas is like pushing up 22.50. Yeah, it's bullish, definitely. Oh wow, look at that. I definitely didn't expect that. It's as if natural gas is being released today. Natural gas report is being released today. It's 10:30. The 5 minute is like extremely overbought. And I won't even sell my rest of the 100. You see a resistance line, so I'm gonna just wait a little bit up to there. Yeah, this I didn't expect at all. From the 5 minute chart, I was already in the overbought area, so I didn't expect this at all. Let's see if we can get 2267. Let's see if it bounces from that upper VWAP. Yesterday the prices for natural gas were so bearish. It was like bouncing down from the lower channel. As you can see here, this is the lower channel, and the prices were like sort of like keeping below it until like 4 a.m. this morning. Let's see. No, it didn't bounce. Let's see if it bounces back from the EMA line. I just have 100 shares, so if it continues to go down, I'll add to my position. Okay, we got a bounce. So for Friday, actually, it's the market is not that slow, and like I'm up on the day by $365. Um, let's see how the rest of the day turns out. I'll close my position at 2250. That's the last of the 100 that I had. Alright, it got executed, and yep, 0 shares. So up $375 on the day. It's still early morning, sort of like a mid morning, and so we have still plenty of opportunity throughout the day. And alright, guys, I have some emails to answer and a few other things to do. So good luck if you are trading natural gas today. I will update you guys in the evening about my profit and loss for the day. But for now, take care.